Alright everyone, so in the previous video we constructed this function using a temporary variable, and the idea behind this function is it cycles through a set number like 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And it's a little bit more complicated because if you just did it just using mod on its own, here's an increasing number, and say you put mod 4 in here, then instead of going 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, it will go 0, 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3. 0, 1, 2, 3. And so we just had to add a little extra machinery to avoid that problem. Now we built this with a variable we call temp, but of course what we want this to do is we want, as level is going up, we want it to cycle through the weather list. So the thing we need here where temp used to be is level. Let's put a 4 in here for now. Then as level goes up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This whole thing is going to go in cycles of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, 4 is just the number that happens to be the length of the list, but that might change. So to keep this robust so that it always updates to the right number, we can just put length of weather in instead of 4. So 4 is the current length of the weather, but if we add something to it, then this will update accordingly. And now we've got the function that we want. Now, I've written this inside the level sprite because what I want to do now is I want to make a new variable for all sprites and call it weather level. And then somewhere around here, I'm going to set weather level to this. So level has just been updated. We're at the new level for level. And then we set the weather level to the place in the cycle. So if we're at level 8, then this will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Or if we're at level 9, then weather level will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Now, with that stipulated, we need to go into each of these, and wherever we've written level, we need to replace it with weather level. So there's a couple of places in mist, storm, and now in wind. Here in cycle gusts. And remove this clone. Request gust. Oh, and also in wizard. Okay, let's try that out. So level 1 we should get mist, and we do. At level 2 we shouldn't get anything, and we don't. At level 3 we should get a storm, and we do. And at level 4 we should get wind. At level 5 we should get mist again. And we do. So it's looping the way we want it to. And at level 6 we should get nothing again.
Yum yum.
The wind sound isn't fading because I'm cheating out of each level. So it hasn't got time to clear. And then the next level should be rain again, not a storm. Yeah, so everything seems to be looping fine. Okay, so that's all I wanted to do in this video, and I'll see you in the next one.